Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of gardening with a spotlight on the best marigold plant available in the market. These French marigold seeds from Axel's Garden Seeds promise vibrant blooms and effortless beauty for your outdoor spaces. French marigolds are renowned for their compact size and stunning orange and red blooms, making them a favorite among gardeners worldwide. Whether you're looking to beautify your borders, pots, or simply enhance your garden's charm, these seeds offer a perfect solution. Let's talk about why these marigold seeds stand out. First off, they are premium quality seeds harvested from high-quality marigolds, ensuring freshness and vibrant blooms every time. The planting instructions are clear and easy to follow, making them ideal for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. You'll be enjoying these vibrant blooms in no time. These marigolds are versatile. Whether you're planting them in a sunny spot or mixing them with other plants in a companion planting setup, they bring a burst of color and joy to any garden. Imagine your garden transformed with these beautiful French marigolds. They not only add visual appeal but also attract beneficial insects, making them a gardener's dream. Axel's Garden Seeds prides itself on expertly selecting unique seed varieties, ensuring that you have access to the best options for your home garden. These heirloom marigolds are no exception. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these French marigold seeds are a must-have. Their vibrant blooms, ease of cultivation, and gift-worthy packaging make them an excellent choice for any garden enthusiast. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!